Hello scientists, we are ready for lesson 15. We're glad that you are still with us in our space unit. Today we're going to be thinking about solar system and beyond. We talked about the Earth and the Moon and the Sun and how they interact with each other, but now we'll be thinking about all of the other fascinating objects in our solar system, other planets and different things that we might see in the night sky.
All right, scientists, grab those science journals. You're going to need a little bit of time for this one, and I would grab some coloring utensils. Do you have crayons or markers, something at home you can use to color? Take your time, pause the video, and let's copy our big diagram. Are you back? All right, so we're going to start here at the sun, and what we've done is we have the planets in our home solar system drawn. Let's start at the beginning. This little guy right here is Mercury. Now poor Mercury, he's too close to the sun, so he's actually lost all of his atmosphere because it got burnt up. Next to Mercury, we're going to go to Venus. Venus is oftentimes called our sister planet because she's about the same size as us. And remember how we said Mercury didn't really have an atmosphere anymore? Well, Venus has too much of one. In fact, hers is so thick it keeps a lot of heat and gas trapped, so there's volcanoes and lava, and it's an angry surface. Next is our home, the Earth. It's in what's called the Goldilocks zone. It's just far enough that we're not too hot, but close enough that we can stay warm. Next, we're going to go to Mars. And Mars looks red because of all of the iron in the soil. These first four planets make up the inner planets. Sometimes they're called the rocky planets or maybe even the tertiary planets. Now we've got a bumpy ride because we have to get through the asteroid belt to get on the other side to the big ones, the gas giants. The first one is going to be Jupiter, and Jupiter has a huge storm on it. Think about a hurricane so big that the Earth could fit in it 3 or 4 times. Then we're going to go on to Saturn, which is known for her beautiful rings. Next we have Uranus, which looks really cool. Scientists theorize that Uranus got hit by something pretty heavy and it caused it to actually stand up. So its ring is almost vertical. And finally, we're going to end at Neptune, which is beautiful blue because of all the methane gas. Neptune also has a huge storm going on her. These 4 planets make up the gas giants.
I really like what you drew there. Well, my very eager mother just served us 9 pizzas. That's what I learned when I was in 5th grade, how to remember the order of the 9 planets. But you'll notice 4 plus 4, that's only 8. There's not 9 planets. They kicked Pluto out of the planet club. And so now I need you guys to make a new phrase to help remember the 4 inner and the 4 outer planets in order. M, V, E, M, J, S, U, N.
And as always, if you'd like to click on the links below, you can continue to study more about our solar system. For this lesson, we challenge you to do a side project on your own. Pick a planet or some other object in space that you are truly fascinated by and do a little research. See what you can dig up and design a project of your own. Bye, scientists.
Bye, scientists.